Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Alexis. In this video, I am going to just do a bit of face painting and gonna do like a clown makeup, but it's gonna be like a sad clown makeup type thing because I'm feeling a little down at the moment. I've glued down my eyebrows already, but I'm feeling a little sad, sacky right now, so I'm gonna do something that makes me happy, which is doing my face. So if you guys are interested in seeing me create a clown look, then keep watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to put on my foundation. And I'm just using an older foundation that I've got that's not quite the right color. Because I'm just going to cover this up. But I see Lex always putting foundation on before she starts painting. So that's what I'm doing. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I've gone through, my desk is just a fucking wreck right now. But yeah, this is my creepy clown look that I came up with today. And yeah, I'm really surprisingly proud of it. I really do dig it. I think it's pretty cool looking. Took me a while, but yeah, the video I filmed before this, I wasn't really proud of where it was going. It was much more of a cartoonish clown rather than like how I was feeling right now. So I wanted to redo it. And I am much happier with the way that this one has come out. It's kind of like painting my feelings right now. I'm listening to lots of creepypastas as we speak. So I've got like a lot of these creepy stories in the background in the back of my head. And yeah, I felt like painting it. So this is what I've come up with. But this is the end of the video, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And I will see you soon. Bye.